RBI strategy framework key points to know. JP Morgan has reduced First Republic, an international bank that had failed by taking on the bank's depositors and excluding billions of dollars in liabilities left with the Federal Insurance Deposit Corporation. The Reserve Bank of India has formulated Utkarsh 2.0, a strategy framework for the period 2023 to 25, which aims to foster monetary and financial stability, ensure the development of an efficient and inclusive financial system, and promote balanced and equitable economic development. The framework has 60 strategic culminating in the desired outcomes and serve as a long-term plan than the annual plans previously adopted. Recently, we come across another news of failure of the more international bank First Republic and its rescue by JP Morgan. The key to getting the deal done was excluding billions of dollars of liabilities that are left behind with the Federal Insurance Deposit Corporation. The FDIC expect First Republic clean up to cost $13 billion. JP Morgan has helped American banking stability by stepping in to take on the First Republic depository, and it had that size and scale to do that. Central banks around the world have formulated medium-term strategy framework against the backdrop of the challenging global and domestic environment. Utkarsh 2.0 comments from 2023 when India assuming that G20 presidency. Utkarsh 2.0, the strategy framework being put in place by Reserve Bank of India for the period of 2023 to 25 set out the priorities, activities and desired outcomes under each of the objective of the bank for the period between 2023 and 25. Utkarsh 2.0 seeks to enhance public trust in and credibility of the Reserve Bank. Utkarsh 2.0 roadmap has 60 strategies which would culminating in the desired outcomes. Earlier, the Reserve Bank an annual action plan under which the work to be taken up during a year was laid out and monitored for program and campaign. However, an annual plan was perceived to be too shorter a period for pursuing strategic objectives. Accordingly, it was desired to formulate a long-term dynamic strategy framework that could capture and respond to the rapidly emerging feature of the economic, social and technological ecosystem. The core purpose in Utkarsh is to foster monetary and financial stability, keeping in mind the objective of growth and to ensure the development of efficient and inclusive financial system. This reflects the bank committed to the nation to foster confidence in the internal and external value of the rupee and contribute to macroeconomic stability, regulate market and insurance under it ambient to ensure financial system stability and consumer protection, promote the integrity, efficiency, inclusiveness and competitiveness of the financial and payment system, ensure efficient management of the currency as well as banking serves to the government and bank, support balance and equitable economic development of the country. Curse to have 6 vision statement. Vision first, excellence in the performance of its function. Vision second, strengthen trust of citizen and institution in the Reserve Bank of India. Vision third, enhanced relevance and significant in national and global role. Vision 4, transparent accountability and ethic driven internal governance. Vision 5, best in the class and environmental friendly, rigid and physical infrastructure. Vision 6, innovative, dynamic and skilled human resources. The achievement of the millions milestone under the Utkarsh 2.0 will strengthen the regulatory landscape for the well-being of the financial sector. All in the Indian banking regulate seems to be poised to handle more complex banking in future and stand out tall in the current fragile global banking scenario. The author is Director Arihant Capital Market Limited.